I want to talk about one exercise that you can do for your abs with no gym, no equipment, no mat, nothing, right? So normally the abs is the main thing everyone's focused on. They want to, lose weight in their midsection or just feel stronger, having a stronger core, right? So simple, something you can incorporate every single day. Don't have to get on the floor, none of that. So all you're gonna do, I'm gonna show you really quick. All you're gonna do, you're gonna put your hands up here, bring your elbows to meet your knee as you bring your knees up here. There. All you're doing is contracting your abs, but you wanna hold this for a second, right? You wanna make everything count. So as you're bringing your arms down, flex those biceps. So you're working your arms, your core, all that is working at the same time. You can do this for 30 seconds up to a minute. I'd like to shoot for a minute just to keep this going. And you can do this anywhere, anytime, while you're working, while you're watching a show, while you're cooking, all of that stuff, right? You can fit it in anywhere. My thing is make time. You can make time for any kind of activity, any kind of movement, but that was my thing. There's so many gadgets, and I even did a review on the ab oil with the elbow pads, that's awesome. It is. If you're into gadgets and things like that, it does make it easier to do. You can check out the review on that. But if you're looking for something to do with no equipment, you don't have to put any thought to it. You don't have to, how many times am I supposed to do it or how am I supposed to do it? The only thing you need to concentrate on is keeping your abs tight, engaging your abs, and pulling those elbows down to your knee as you rotate one at a time, right? That's it. I can't think of a simpler exercise that will at least you'll feel stronger, you'll see some results, but keep in mind, guys, this is the one thing, you can't do all these exercises and think that magically you're gonna lose weight. It's all in what you eat as well. You have to have a sensible eating habit. I hate to say diet, but diet is what you eat, right? But you have to have a sensible diet. You have to just be mindful. That's it. Just be mindful of what you're doing. And like I said, these are just simple exercises, simple tips that you can add to your routine every single day. Heck, that's all I got for that. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to share, be sure to check out the Live Good opportunity and see what that's about. But today's focus, abs, no gym. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.